right, folks, this is array 3. You guys can see we're still bringing a 342 watts out of 1280, 1280 watt. So this is what is coming right now. It's cloudy outside. You know, you guys saw the video. Is one of the controllers here, and that's exactly, these are photovoltaic inverters made by SunTims. So here is the other one, and this one is bringing 369, and the other one is bringing 336, because of they're all in different angles and facing different directions. So you guys, as I speak, you guys saw up there. Well, the other array makes about 3.4 kilowatts of power today, and this one here, let's wait and see. It's pushing 360 watts right now. The other one is 330. That's the power it's already generated. This is just a 2 kilowatt made today. This one is off because I shut down the array. And those are the panels we're taking out right now and put in the same huge panels. So they're all working good, but we just want the same sizes to be up there. So it's kind of upgrading the panels. These guys have been working really good throughout this winter. And check the temperatures here. It's pretty warm. Whoa, boy, it's warm. Yeah, they can heat up the place. I'm just kidding. Yeah. Well, this is the system again I built, and from one of my guys here, and he's happy, and you guys already heard what you said about the system, and he's pushing a lot of kilowatts, you know. Pretty interesting. So we're trying to swap those panels before the sun goes down. There's no sun outside, but just before we lost light. And with the daylight saving, it's not going to make any difference, but just for us, we're going forward. But the sun already started come out around 7 o'clock. Pretty soon we're gonna be getting the sun around 6 and 5 a.m. in the morning, and that's the time for power generation. All right, this is JW Solar USA. I'm wrapping up this video for now till we finish the putting the other panels that we are installing right now. And you guys stay tuned and subscribe, thumbs up, like, and share. You know, the reason why you need to subscribe, because anytime I post something, you guys gonna be the first ones to be notified, and you want to see what's going on all the time from this channel. Live from Minnesota, JW Solar. Thank you, and God bless. Bye bye. All right, folks, the other panels started coming in. We started putting them in. This is how it looks like. I hope you like. So this side here is 1280, and the other side is 1280. This side here is gonna fill with 1280, and the other side is already 1280. So this is the power we installing right now, live from JW Solar USA. And the installation is going pretty well. It's cold. The only thing we are lucky now, the wind stopped. We don't have much wind anymore. And I'm walking up the rooftop of the barn. The barn is really, it's huge. It's a big place. So let me come back all the way to the end of the roof of the barn. Approximately, I don't know if it's no more than 60 foot long, or 50 or 60, or maybe more than that. I have to ask him. So from the position I'm standing right now, it's about 2 foot long to the edge. And this is how long the barn looks like. And I'm walking out towards the panels. And guys, you guys can see, so we can put 3 on this side, 3 already in. So okay, sorry, 1 is already in here, and 3 is gonna go all the way to the end right there. Those 2 super strut. Okay, 2 super strut right there. Is 3 panels gonna fit there? See right here, it's 4 panels, but 1 occupy a little bit, starting with the 10-footer. So if you have 20 foot long, like this side, from here all the way to the end there is a 20 foot long. So you can able to utilize, so 4 panels right there, you're gonna be able to put 6 panels on a 20 foot rail. That's what we're doing right now. So I hope you guys finds it interesting working on this kind of weather. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So it's really even hard to video, but this is what I'm doing right now with my guy here. So it's gonna be bits and pieces of everything. This is gonna be 2 array up here. So you see, the sunrise from this end here, and right in the middle around 10-11 o'clock, it hits both panels and half of this one here. And when it goes down to around 4, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, the array over there is gonna be having more sun, because of that's how we set up the entire system, so we keep having power for the rest of the day. So we follow the sun. This is how you install systems, because in different angles you have a inverter for that. Different angles you have an inverter for that. So you can able to follow the sun as he goes. You transition to the next inverter while the other one is winding down. But mostly in the summertime, you see all of them cranking at the same time, you know, because the sun is sitting right in the center, like around noon or 1 o'clock. So all the panels are being started pounding. You know, this one is in this angle because of the evening and the winter time. This array can make so much power. Well, this is the installation we're doing right here, and everything seems to work good, and we're excited. I'm excited to do this project again, because You know, that reminds me it's about time, summer on the way, so we can start doing fun thing again. See that? Look at the angles. Different angles. See that? I'm gonna be showing you guys later after we put in the 3 more panels. All right. Stay safe.